Hi everyone and welcome. In this home practice session, we're going to explore Parsvottanasana, and we're going to use a chair to support the front groins. So often a challenge in this pose is to keep the hips level. Sometimes we have one hip that wants to move back, one hip that wants to move forward. So the chair ensures that we keep the levelness of the hips. So you're going to take your chair and fold it and turn it so that you have the bottom of the chair seat facing away from you. Then from Tadasana, you can step your right foot forward and bring your left foot back. Now take the chair, and the rail is going to go right at the front groin area here. So I pivot my toes in, my back toes in enough so that I can start to bring this hip around. So I feel that both of my front groins are hitting the back of the chair rail evenly. Once I have that, then I can start to extend and lift the front line of the trunk, roll the shoulders back, lift the chest, then start to come over, hinging forward over the chair, bringing the hands down the chair leg. I can straighten the arms to continue to get the trunk moving forward, shoulder blades into the back, and then I continue to extend the trunk down towards the chair seat. Now bend the elbows, and that will help you to get more extension of the trunk moving down, and then finally you can release your forehead towards the back of the chair seat. And then to come up, straighten the arms, walk the hands back up the chair legs, and then step back to Tadasana, and you can repeat on the other side. This is from Eyal Shifroni's book, Props for Yoga, the volume on standing poses. And as always, please do let us know if you have any questions. We would love to hear from you, and we hope you enjoy this video. Happy practicing. Namaste.